My dear students, in this session, we are going to learn about problems on Laplace transformations. First problem, find Laplace transformation of t cube plus 4t square minus 3t plus 5. We know that the Laplace transformation of t power of n is equal to n factorial by s to the power of n plus 1 if n is a positive integer. Then the Laplace transformation of t cube plus 4t square minus 3t plus 5, it can be written as Laplace transformation of t cube plus 4 Laplace transformation of t square minus 3 Laplace transformation of t plus 5 Laplace transformation of 1. We have the formula L of t to the power of n is n factorial by s to the power of n plus 1. Here L of t cube means n is equal to 3. So the L of t cube is equal to 3 factorial by s to the power of 4 plus 4 into L of t square means 2 factorial by s cube means 2 factorial by s to the power of 2 plus 1 by using this. So L of t square becomes 2 factorial by s cube minus 3 L of t is 1 by s square plus 5 into L of 1 is 1 by s. Now by simplifying these terms, 3 factorial means 3 into 2 into 1, that is equal to 6. 6 by s to the power of 4, 8 by s cube minus 3 by s square plus 5 by s. This is the required solution. Find Laplace transformation of e power of minus 5t plus 5 into e power of minus 2t. We know that L of e power of minus at is equal to 1 by s plus a, where s is always greater than a. Laplace transformation of e power of minus 5t plus 5 e power of minus 2t can be written as L of e power of minus 5t plus 5 into L of e power of minus 2t. Now expanding L of e power of minus 5t by using the formula L of e power of minus at is equal to 1 by s plus a, we get 1 by s plus 5 plus 5 into Laplace transformation of e power of minus 2t is 5 into 1 by s plus 2. Now take the LCM, that is s plus 5 into s plus 2, 1 into s plus 2 plus 5 into s plus 5. Let us simplify both the numerator and denominator. We get L of e power of minus 5t plus 5 e power of minus 2t is equal to 6s plus 27 divided by s plus 5 into s plus 2 is s square plus 7s plus 10. So this is the required solution. Problem 3. Find Laplace transformation of 3 cos hyperbolic 4t plus 4 sin 2t. Here we have to make use of two formula, that is the L of cos hyperbolic at and L of sin at. Laplace transformation of cos hyperbolic at is equal to s by s square minus a square, and Laplace transformation of sin of at is equal to a by s square plus a square. By using these two formulae, let us expand L of 3 cos hyperbolic 4t plus 4 sin 2t. 3 into Laplace transformation of cos hyperbolic 4t plus 4 into Laplace transformation of sin 2t. 3 s by s square minus 4 square, that is nothing but s by s square minus 16 plus 4 into 2 by s square plus 2 square, that is 2 by s square plus 4. Now multiplying these terms, we get 3s by s square minus 16 plus 8 by s square plus 4. So this is the required Laplace transformation. Find Laplace transformation of 5 sin hyperbolic 3t minus 4 cos 5t. Here we have to use the Laplace transformation of sin hyperbolic at which is equal to a by s square minus a square. And another formula, Laplace transformation of cos at is equal to s by s square plus a square. Then by using these results, let us expand L of 5 sin 3t minus 4 cos 5t, that is 5 L of sin hyperbolic 3t minus 4 L of cos 5t. So sin hyperbolic 3t's expansion is 3 by s square minus 3 square, that is 3 by s square minus 9. Minus 4 into Laplace transformation of cos 5t is s by s square plus 5 square, that is s by s square plus 25. Laplace transformation of 5 sin hyperbolic 3t minus 4 cos 5t is equal to 15 by s square minus 9 minus 4s by s square plus 25. This is the required result. Find Laplace transformation of t to the power of minus 5 by 2 plus t to the power of 5 by 2. Now to solve this one, the Laplace transformation of t power of n when n is a constant. See, when n is a constant, the formula becomes gamma n plus 1 by s to the power of n plus 1. By expanding the Laplace transformation of t power of minus 5 by 2 plus t power of 5 by 2, see, by expanding Laplace transformation of t power of minus 5 by 2 plus t power of 5 by 2, we get Laplace transformation of t to the power of minus 5 by 2 plus Laplace transformation of t to the power of 5 by 2. Now expand Laplace transformation of minus 5 by 2 by using Laplace transformation of t power of n, that is gamma of minus 3 by 2 by 5s to the power of minus 3 by 2. So minus 5 by 2 plus 1, that is minus 3 by 2. And similarly, Laplace transformation of t to the power of 5 by 2 is gamma 7 by 2 by s to the power of 7 by 2. 5 by 2 plus 1 is 7 by 2. So like this. Now by using the gamma functions, gamma of n plus half is equal to 1, 2, 3 so on, 2n minus 1 by 2 to the power of n into root 5. Gamma n is equal to gamma of n plus 1 by n. Now let us take gamma of 7 by 2 as gamma of 3 plus half. So we get 1 into 3 into 5 by 2 cube root 5, which is equal to 15 root 5 by 8. Gamma minus 3 by 2 is equal to gamma minus half by minus 3 by 2, gamma n plus 1 by n. This formula we used here. So which is equal to minus 3 by 2 gamma of minus half, and that is nothing but 2 gamma half by 3 into minus half. So we get 2 by 3 into 2 root 5, and by simplifying the result we get it as 4 by 3 root 5. Hence here gamma half value is equal to root 5. Gamma of minus 3 by 2 as 4 by 3 root 5. Now let us take the Laplace transformation of t to the power of minus 5 by 2 plus t to the power of 5 by 2 and substitute the values. Then we get 4 root 5 by 3s to the power of minus 3 by 2 plus 15 root 5 by 8s to the power of 7 by 2. Remove root 5 outside. Then we get 4 by 3s to the power of minus 3 by 2 plus 15 by 8s to the power of 7 by 2. By simplifying this result, we get Laplace transformation of t to the power of minus 5 by 2 plus t to the power of 5 by 2 is equal to root 5 4 by 3 s to the power of minus 3 by 2 plus 15 8s to the power of 3 by 2. Find the Laplace transformation of cos square at. We know that cos square at is equal to 1 plus cos 2 at by 2. Now Laplace transformation of cos square at can be written as Laplace transformation of 1 plus cos 2 at by 2. So remove 2 outside, then by expanding 1 plus cos 2 at is Laplace transformation, we get Laplace transformation of 1 plus Laplace transformation of 2at. Now expand Laplace transformation of 1, that is 1 by s, and Laplace transformation of cos 2at. We get half into 1 by s plus s by s square plus 2a whole square. Now by simplifying this, we get 1 by 2 into 1 by s plus s by s square plus 4a square. Now take the LCM and simplify. So half into s square plus 4a square plus s square by s into s square plus 4a square. Further simplifying this, we get half into 2s square plus 4a square, s square plus s square, 2s square plus 4a square by s into s square plus 4a square. L of cos square at is equal to half into s square plus a square by s into s square plus 4a square. Find the Laplace transformation of sin cube at. Solution: we know that sin cube at is equal to 3 sin at minus sin 3at by 4. Now by using this one, the Laplace transformation of sin cube at is equal to Laplace transformation of sin at minus sin 3at by 4. That is 1 by 4 into Laplace transformation of 3 sin at minus sin 3at. Again splitting this one, we get 1 by 4 Laplace transformation of 3 into sin at minus Laplace transformation of sin 3at. So by expanding these two terms, we get this as 1 by 4 of 3 into a by s square plus a square, that is the Laplace transformation of sin at, minus 3 into a by s square plus 3a whole square, which is nothing but a by s square plus a square minus a by s square plus 9a square, and multiply this by 3. So find this 3a by 4 of s square minus 9a square minus of s square plus a square by s square plus a square into s square plus 9a square. Now again simplifying this, we get this as 3a by 4 8a square by s square plus a square into s square plus 9 square, and that is equal to 6a cube by s square plus a square into s square plus 9a square. So this is the required result. Laplace transformation of sin t into sin 2t into sin 3t. We know that sin a sin b is equal to half into cos of a minus b minus cos of a plus b, and sin a cos b is equal to half of sin a plus b plus sin a minus b. By using these two, let us expand sin t 2t, that is half into cos of a minus b. A is 2t, b is t. So cos 2t minus t minus cos of a plus b. A plus b means 2t plus t. That is sin t into 2t is cos t minus 3t into half. So in the place of sin t 2t, we have written half into cos t minus 3t, and this sin 3t as it is we have taken. Now this is nothing but half into sin 3t cos t minus sin 3t cos t. See, we have multiplied this term, this middle equation. See, half into cos t minus cos 3t into sin 3t. When you multiply, we will get half into sin 3t cos t minus sin 3t cos 3t. We have sin 3t cos t as half into sin 4t plus 2t. See, by making use of the formula again, sin a cos b, that is sin of a plus b plus sin of a minus b into half. So sin 3t cos t is equal to half into sin 4t plus sin 2t. In the same manner, let us expand sin 3t cos 3t. Sin 3t cos 3t is half into sin 6t plus sin 0. Why? Because sin a cos b is equal to half into sine a plus b plus sine a minus b. See here a and b values are 3t, 3t. So half into sine of a plus b means 3t plus 3t, 6t, a minus b means 0. Hence this function becomes half sine 6t. Now let us substitute this value in the given equation. Sine t into sine 2t into sine 3t. That is half into half of sine 4t plus sine 2t minus half into 6 2t, that is the expansion of sine 3t cos 3t. So by simplifying this we get half, you remove the common factor outside, then 1 by 4 into sine 4t plus cos 2t plus 6t will be the required expansion of this function. Now for this let us take the transformation, that is 1 by 4 Laplace transformation of 4t sine 4t plus sine 2t minus 6t. By expanding this we get 1 by 4 the Laplace transformation of sine at, that is a by s square plus a square. By using that let us simplify these three results. That is 1 by 4 into 4 by s square plus 4 square, that is s square plus 16, plus sine 2t's expansion 2 by s square plus 2 square, that is 2 by s square plus 4, minus 6 by s square plus 6 square, that is 36. This is the required result.